Hi, this is Erica with your Classroom Academy, and the strategy this week is Classroom Bingo. So this strategy is great if you want your students to get to know each other quickly, getting to know each other's names and getting to know some information about each other. So this might not be a week one activity, depending on your students. So once they've had a chance to speak to each other a few times and speak in class a few times, that might be a good time to use this strategy. So when you're using this for the first time, you might want to give students a chance to work with an elbow partner to practice asking some questions first, especially for students who are a little bit more hesitant. So there's a whole bingo board full of prompts. So have students look through those. You might want to practice reading those out loud as a whole class before having them choose one prompt to ask to their elbow partner. Give them a chance to ask their partner a couple of questions until they find one that there's true about their partner. Then they'll ask their partner, "Oh, what's your name?" That partner will tell them, and then we'll write their partner's name down. That is something that I always had as a non-negotiable in my class, that the partner A would write down partner B's name on their own paper. So it was just another way to reinforce them learning other students' names in their class. So it really helped to avoid them just taking their paper and saying, "Hey, write your name down." That's not really going to help them learn anything about their classmates. Another great way to use this strategy is to spread it out over many weeks. I know I keep saying this, but this is another great way to really use all of these classroom community builders to really stretch it out over time. There's no need to rush through any of these. So you could spend about 5 minutes on this activity, 7 minutes. Even if no students get a bingo, that's fine. Just have them keep their bingo boards, or maybe collect the bingo boards, depending on your students, pass them out again, give them another 5 minutes, collect them again. So kind of spreading this out over a few weeks will give them time to kind of meet new students, ask more questions, practice those inquiry strategies, practice those collaboration strategies over and over again, so that they have time to refine those skills as they get to know each other. And like with all of these beginning of the year activities and strategies, make it fun. So it's bingo. Prizes are always great, even if it's a sticker or a pencil or a fun eraser, right? We don't have to give away big, expensive things. Well, we don't have the money for that, so no. So yeah, make it fun, make it something that is engaging for your students, and they'll dig it. They'll have a good time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my Substack for more strategies, resources, tips, and tricks.